Welcome back to the School of Soul, the social series. I'm ADELINE Atlas, and today we're talking about a question every online entrepreneur eventually faces. When am I actually ready to run paid ads? Because here's the truth. Paid ads can either scale you fast or sink your budget. They're a multiplier, not a miracle. If you pour money into a broken funnel, you'll just get expensive proof that your offer doesn't convert. But if your foundation is solid, ads can become the fuel that turns your 5K months into 15K or 20K, on repeat. So let's break down what ready for ads actually means. First, understand. What paid ads actually do. Ads don't create desire. They amplify what's already working. Paid traffic will never fix a bad offer, a confusing funnel, or unclear messaging. All ads do is put more eyeballs on what already exists. So before you ever open up Facebook Ads Manager or throw money at Meta, you need to ask, is what I'm about to amplify actually ready to scale? You're ready for ads only when 3 conditions are met. 1. You have a proven offer. 2. You have a simple working funnel. 3. You have a message that's already converting organically. Let's break those down. 1. A proven offer. This is non-negotiable. A proven offer means you've already sold your product or program, ideally multiple times, through organic channels. That could mean you've launched it to your email list, promoted it on Instagram, sold it through a freebie funnel, or even closed it via DMs. If strangers are buying it without needing a hard sell, that's a sign you've got something worth scaling. If your offer still feels like a guessing game, you're not there yet. Ads will only amplify the confusion. Examples of proven offers. A $97 mini course that sells 2 to 3x a week through your IG stories. A $497 workshop that converts 5 to 10% of your email list. A $27 template pack that consistently sells in your lead magnet thank you funnel. If your offer hasn't sold organically, it's not an ad problem. It's a clarity problem. 2. A simple funnel that works. You don't need a fancy 12-step funnel, but you do need structure. A solid ad funnel includes a lead magnet that directly qualifies your audience, a short nurture sequence, 3 to 5 emails that educate, connect, and invite, a clear CTA, sales page, checkout, or application, a follow-up system, retargeting ads, deadline reminders, or re-engagement emails. This doesn't have to be complicated, but it must be intentional. Your ad can drive leads, but the funnel closes them. Ask yourself, is your email automation working end-to-end? Are buyers confused about next steps or price points? Is your checkout experience smooth and mobile-friendly? If your backend is leaky, no amount of ad spend will make up for it. You'll just get more people dropping off at the same points. 3. Messaging that already converts. Before you run ads, you need to prove your copy works. That means you've posted content that gets DMs or comments asking for more info. Your emails get opens, clicks, and responses. Your headlines and hooks create curiosity and clicks organically. Why does this matter? Because ad platforms don't sell for you. Your messaging does. If your offer isn't landing on your audience now, it won't magically land with cold traffic. Your offer copy needs to speak directly to a problem your audience already knows they have, and position your product as the clearest path to solve it. Testing ads, how to start small. When those 3 pieces are in place, then you can start running ads.